Hello world. In this video, I'm going to talk about my journey in the world of martial arts, and I'm going to talk about some of the many grandmasters that I've trained with. I started out in the martial arts of judo when I was 9 years old, and I studied judo for many years. I then got into Kenpo, and I studied with Master Al Farnsworth, who's a first generation black belt underneath Ed Parker. And this is a picture of one of my first senseis that I'm going to show you here. He has products that you can still find on eBay, people selling them, of the White Dragon Kenpo system, and it's an absolutely incredible system. And I saw the movie The Perfect Weapon, and that's what inspired me to look for this martial art from Jeff Speakman. Jeff Speakman's an incredible martial artist, but this was the upperclassman above Jeff Speakman, Al Farnsworth, and he's a first generation black belt under Ed Parker, and then he developed his own system based on Ed Parker's American Kenpo, Hapkido, Taekwondo, Wing Chun, and many other martial arts that he blended into the White Dragon system. I still study the White Dragon system. I've developed my own system called the Golden Eagle Total Martial Arts System that I developed with my son. Tommy the Iron Man is my son. Now, I'm going to show you the next master that I train with. His name is Master Matt Small. He's also gone by Master Matthew Lee, and he is one of the best martial artists in the world. He's a master of Kung Fu, and I still study Kung Fu today, but I've developed it. It's a very progressive art, what I call the Golden Eagle Total Martial Arts System. But this here is a picture of Master Matt Small, and he taught out of Las Vegas, where I grew up. I trained for many, many years, okay, under him. A lot of great masters came from him, such as Jake Mason and many others. The grandmaster of that system is pictured here. His name is Grandmaster Hsing I from the Fujian Shaolin Temple. Shaolin Temple. Here's a picture of him, Grandmaster Hsing I. I got to stay with him as well. Next, I got into original Ed Parker Kenpo, and I studied with one of my best friends. His name is John Matsurat, and he's a black belt under Skip Hancock. Skip Hancock was one of the top black belts in the Ed Parker American Kenpo system, who wrote the books and has developed many things. So I've studied with many, many grandmasters. I became a disciple under Grandmaster Jack Fu and under one of his main disciples, Master Joshua Jackson. So I wanted to show some pictures of that. This is a picture of this is a lineage that is very, very strong. It's the strongest lineage that I've seen out of China from Master Jack Fu, and the lineage is from the Supreme Grandmaster Lin Mogan out of China, and he's one of the best martial artists in the world. And I got to train with these guys and many others. Along my journey in martial arts, I also got to train with Marvin the Beastman Eastman. Although I only trained with him one time, this is some of the best groundwork in Jiu-Jitsu I've ever seen. And here's a picture of him. I got a lot of respect for him. He's a great teacher and he's a great martial artist. I taught at the Zen Center in Provo, Utah, many years ago, and this is a picture of me teaching at the Zen Center. Is at an old historical mansion here. I got to teach many people. I got to teach the Provo mayor at that time, right here in this picture. And this is a picture of me um, at my Yang ceremony, Yang Tai Chi ceremony with Master Joshua Jackson and Grandmaster Jack Fu. Um, so at that time, I taught at the Zen Center in Provo, and to show a picture of that. This is at the Zen Center. Picture of me teaching Tai Chi at the Zen Center. This is my Tai Chi certificate, which is under Master Jack Fu and Master Joshua Jackson. So here's a picture of this certification right here. You can look at it. It shows that I am complete certified in Yang style Tai Chi Chuan. I also learned from many other martial artists as well, many friends, many people. Um, these are some of the highlights. So if you'd like to get free sample of my system, the Golden Eagle Total Martial Arts System, just click on the link below, put in your name and email, and I will send you free video tutorials of our system and teach you some incredible self-defense techniques, which involves the internal and external arts. So please like and subscribe to this channel and subscribe to our newsletter. And thank you very much.